We go for that side for Nigeria. We dey for Nigeria. Some girl for that side for Nigeria for Kanu, they carry go for court. They carry go for court for Sikaweti. Say Herira Mohammed and the other one them, the other man he named na Sanguru Shuaibu. One na the first massa Mohammed. Second one na the second massa. So the woman he don't go married number first man. I wait they know they stay for one house. He go marry number two man. He talks say he never married. Una know say polyandry he dey against the law for Cameroon, for Nigeria and all of our Africa. But polygamy it dey correct. So it dey for court now. It dey like say if you no look out, they go give you prison. It go prison small for that kind of way it dey do am. How you fit marry two man pikin them illegally? If they be understand you talk for them, they accept. No problem. But we take man, it is na be your first master, and we get some other second one with the high time, or their first and only master. You get some other one with you the high time. Hey, that you know correct no countryman, countrywoman.